You can tell by the way she walks that she's my girl. You can tell by the way she talks, she rules her words. You can see in her eyes that no one is her chain. She's my girl, my Supergirl. And then she say it's okay, I got lost on the way, but I'm a Supergirl, and Supergirls don't cry. And then she say it's alright, I got home late last night, but I'm a Supergirl, and Supergirls just fly. And then she say it's alright, I got home late last night, but I'm a Supergirl, and Supergirls just fly. And then she say that nothing can go wrong when you're in love.
I was young and stupid. So, do you have any superpowers? I guess I can make myself invisible. And you? Can you fly?
And then she say